In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Lists hyperlink column, how to create a clickable email link in Microsoft Lists 2026. We're going to take a plain email address stored in a Microsoft Lists column and turn it into a clickable link that opens a new message in your default mail app. You'll just need edit access to the list in a couple of minutes. First, open Microsoft Lists and navigate to the list where you want this feature. If you're already inside a SharePoint list, that works too. They share the same formatting tools. Make sure you're in the list view, not the form designer, so you can see the column headers. Next, add a new column to hold the email addresses. Choose single line of text as the column type and name it email. Using single line of text is important here because it gives us full control over how the value is displayed with JSON formatting. You can keep the default settings. No special validation is required at this stage. Now, in the list view, hover over the email column header, click the drop-down arrow, and choose column settings. From there, select Format this column. This opens a panel on the right side of the screen where we'll customize how the values appear. In the formatting panel, switch to advanced mode at the bottom. Advanced mode reveals a JSON editor. Don't worry if you're not a developer. This is a simple snippet that tells the column to render its text as a link. Paste the following JSON and adjust the field reference if needed, /schema, https:/developer.microsoft.com JSON schemas spv2 column formatting.schema JSON elm type a attributes /href at concat mail to email target blank style text decoration none text content if email email. This tells the column to display the email value and, when clicked, open a new mail message using a mail to link. If your column's internal name differs from its display name, replace email with the correct internal name. You can also enhance the mail to if you like, such as adding a subject with subject hello, but keeping it simple is a great start. Click Save in the formatting panel to apply the change. Return to your list and try clicking an email in the email column. You should see your default email client open a new message with the address pre-filled. If it doesn't work, double check that the column is single line of text, that email values don't include extra spaces,